Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have finished designing your website with Squarespace and you are ready to make it live on the internet in 2026, this is the final and the easiest step. Publishing on Squarespace is instant, but there are a few important things you must check before clicking that button. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to publish your Squarespace site in 2026 cleanly, safely, and like a pro. So log into Squarespace, go to www.squarespace.com, log into your account, open the website you want to publish. You must be inside the correct site, okay? So preview your site, okay? So click preview, okay? Check mobile, view, desktop, view, navigation. Okay, so what you see here is what visitors will see. Okay, so go to settings, site availability. Okay, choose public to publish. Okay, my page or my website is already published. Okay, so private equals site stays hidden, password protected equals only people with password can see it. So public equals fully live. Okay, so Squarespace sites cannot be published without a plan. So go to billing, choose a plan, personal, business, commerce. Select monthly or yearly, complete payment, and trial sites must be upgraded to publish. Okay, so this is it guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.